Assalamu alaikum to all. Today I am going to make realistic drawing of a bluebird sparrow. Before starting, firstly subscribe my channel. I have made the sketch of the sparrow and now I have started coloring it. For this purpose I have chosen blue color and brown color. First of all, I have colored the upper part of the sparrow with light blue color as shown in the video. Make sure to press the color while drawing. Now I am going to make the eye of the sparrow with black pencil color, and then I am using royal blue color for making darker areas of the sparrow. After shading the head region, I will come to the back and feathers of the sparrow and make its feathers clear by detailing. Now it's time to color its tail. I have left some portion and colored the rest of the area. Now I am making its beak obvious with the help of black color and coloring the feathers and shading the rest of the part with black one. Now it's time to shade the tail and rest of the white area with grey pencil, and I am using light brown pencil color to shade its rest of the feathers and also detailing it with grey color and again with dark brown color. After using the dark brown color, I will use the black gel pen and make its feet and make other details. And now I am using a white charcoal pencil to blend all the colors equally, and again using a black gel pen to make its feathers. After completing the blue area, it's time to make the darker area more brown as it's the lower part of the sparrow, and make the detailings of the tail of the sparrow. It has enhanced very much. Now it's time to color the branch on which it is sitting. First of all, I have used the grey pencil color and make the outline. Then using a black gel pen, I am making its other areas clearer and shading it to make the texture of the wood more clear. Now using a brown pencil, dark brown pencil, I am highlighting it and coloring it. To make the branch more beautiful, we need to add more colors to it. So now I will use the light brown color to shade the rest of the area. Please make sure to make the lower portion of the wood or the branch darker than the upper one. And I am using grey, brown and dark brown color to make the lower area darker, and I am using black color to enhance the shading. Make the shadow of the sparrow on the branch on which it is sitting as I have made, and now again coloring darker with light brown color. It's time to make the feathers prominent with the help of white paint or whitener. I am using a paintbrush to make its feathers more prominent as I have shown in the video. Make sure to follow my steps in order to make the realistic effect of the bluebird. After completing the sparrow, I am highlighting the wood or the branch on which this blue bird is sitting. In this way, you can highlight the whole branch. So I have completed the drawing of the blue bird sitting on a branch. Now I'm going to sign it and it's done. Don't forget to tell me that how was it and what do you like in this video. Also like, share and comment more and more for its propagation. Thanks for watching as always, and a reminder to subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Stay safe and healthy. Keep watching Art by Mia. Allah Hafiz.